Hello and welcome to Spindy's weekly linkage number 3. Remember, numbers are fingers to represent finger slots. We start in a palm down position in slot 1-2. The linkage begins with a rainbow back to 2-3. Once in 2-3, it changes directions with an inverse sonic to 1-2. The linkage then transitions to a palm up position with a past reverse from 1-2 to 1-3. The palm up counterclockwise motion continues with a sonic reverse to 3-4. The sequence then finishes with a ring around 0.5, 3-4 to 2-3. The entire linkage looks like this. Spindy's weekly linkages plan to incorporate a wide range of ideas so spinners with different strengths and weaknesses can benefit. However, some upcoming linkages are near impossible, so just be ready for that. Thanks for watching. See you next week.